Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today let's make prawn pepper ghee roast. For this I have taken 200 grams cleaned and deveined prawns. For this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, little oil, and then mix everything well and marinate for minimum 30 minutes. In a pan, add 3 teaspoons of ghee. Add approximately 2 spoons of fine chopped garlic pieces and 1 big green chilli fine chopped, few curry leaves and 1 small onion fine chopped. Sort them well. Once onions are translucent, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook on low flame until raw smell goes. Then add the marinated prawns. Mix well. Keep the flame on low or low to medium. Mix it well. Now check the salt and add salt as per the taste. Half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Fry them well. Keep the flame low and add a little water as it is sticking to the bottom, and cook on low to medium flame until prawns cooks well. When oil separates, now it's ready. Now add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the flame. Now it's ready to be served. This is a very easy and tasty recipe. Do try it and let me know in the comment section. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.